Yeah. Every time we're making love.
Greetings, YouTube. Alain Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Saturday, April 25th, 2020. And in this short video, we thought we'd give you guys a quick look at our now blossoming orange Asiatic lilies. Take a look at this, YouTube. Indeed, YouTube, indeed. As you guys may recall from our last video on our orange Asiatic lilies and our pineapple tulips, we told you guys that we would bring you guys back at the very first sign of blossoms on our orange Asiatic lilies. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what we discovered this morning when we came outside around 7 a.m. Take a look at this. Bam! Aren't they lovely, YouTube? Are they not indeed lovely? Right here in front of our front porch at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. As you recall, we had one planter here on the end, this end of our walkway here, and we have another one down at the other end near our Bumblebee Junction. And we're going to take you down there right now and show you guys exactly what that particular planter with orange Asiatic lilies looks like right now. Hang tight, YouTube. Bam! Indeed. Lovely. Blossoms just beginning to open up in the rear back there. This one in the front fully in blossom. And as you guys can see, a squirrel sometime during the winter season buried a pecan tree seed here. And this is indeed the results. I have soft shell pecan trees in my backyard, and my neighbor also has soft shell pecan trees in her yard right there next door. And sometime during the winter season last year, a squirrel got brave enough to come in my front yard and bury this pecan tree seed here. And this is indeed the results. Not a bad looking seedling at all. We already have one that we actually, two that we actually germinated from seed ourselves last year during the fall and winter months. So if there's anybody out there who's interested in growing pecans, this is indeed a soft shell pecan tree seedling. If you want this, if you are in or near the Tifton, Georgia area, you're more than welcome to stop by at any time. We'll be more than welcome to give this to you. If not, and you want this pecan tree seedling, leave a comment below this video. We'll dig this guy up and get it sent to you in the mail overnight if possible. But again, YouTube, our orange Asiatic lilies here in our front yard garden, extended grow area, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing orange Asiatic lilies right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Every time we're making love.